Tell me when. Alright, guys, stop. Stop.
What did she do to you?
Did you or did you open my backpack?
No. I didn't open your backpack.
It's closed. It's closed. I did not open it.
Liquid gel.
Look at it, you can tell it's in there.
But yeah, I know.
Because I had to, after yesterday, I had to put all my shit in the bigger bag because you.
So take out the camera outside.
I'll burn it too.